In this guide, I'm going to show you how to customize your garage here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I am going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. Now, first things first, you need to make your way over to any of your houses first. Once you're there, and let me actually just fast travel over to mine real quick. Go ahead and enter in the house itself. It's going to load for a second. It might take a minute to load depending on your current platform. And this is just this like standard house that you get. You can really do this with every single one of them. Once you're in here, go to customizable garage, hit customize garage just like so. It's then going to take you to a page. It looks something like this. It'll kind of walk you through a tutorial when you first get in here, but you can move items in your garage. You could duplicate props, stuff like that. Like I'm going to actually go through, I'm going to remove all this garbage, right? We don't really need any of this trash in here. There's actually a lot of stuff that you can do, which is really cool, I'll be honest with you. And there's certain displays that you could do for cars. It looks like that, obviously. But open up your prop library, go through here. You could purchase a ton of different stuff. You can make it look really cool. There's decor, garage decor, miscellaneous lighting stuff, gameplay stuff. Go through, customize it however you want. You can even put dinosaurs in here. And you can edit a ton of different stuff as well. There's also community, prefabs as well that you can go ahead and customize. But that's going to be the full process just like so. Just make sure when you back out and you leave, it's going to ask you if you want to save. Go ahead and make sure you hit save garage. It's going to be the full process right here though. Make sure you hit save changes. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.